How to zoom into any part of your screen on your Android device. Within your Android device, you have the ability to turn on and off a zoom feature that lets you zoom into any part of your screen on your Android device. I'm going to show you how this works. So if I just click here, you'll see I can just zoom in. Or if I click here, it'll also zoom in. So to turn this feature on, first go to your settings, then do a search for visibility enhancements. Click on it, then scroll down to where it says magnification, click on that option, and here you can toggle this option on or off. Toggle it on, and then in the bottom right hand corner you'll see an image of a little man. If you click on that, you can then zoom into any part of your device. Click on the man again to zoom out. And that's all it takes to zoom in to any part of your screen on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.